Hello students, in this video we will talk about global warming. As you already know the definition of greenhouse effect. What is greenhouse effect? Simply that some gases which are known as greenhouse gases, they trap infrared, long wavelength infrared radiation in Earth's atmosphere and hence help in keeping our atmosphere warm even at night also. So greenhouse effect is useful to us. But due to the modern lifestyle, there is tremendous increase in the concentration of greenhouse effect. So that is leading to global warming. Greenhouse effect is useful for us, whereas global warming is very harmful. So let us talk about it. First, see the definition. Global warming means an increase in the average effective temperature of Earth's surface due to increase in amount of greenhouse gases in its atmosphere. Okay, so it is, we can say, next step to the greenhouse effect, where temperature is increasing at alarming rate. Then what are the causes of global warming? Here you can see a pie chart. There are different colored shaded regions. First one, 30% is of blue. Blue is representing that there is 30% contribution of greenhouse gases, means it is due to increased amount of greenhouse gases. Then 26% contribution is of burning of fossil fuel. 20%, green area is showing 20%, it is due to air pollution. Then 14% due to deforestation, and then 10% due to other causes. So here, with the help of this pie chart, you can understand that which factor is contributing how much for the global warming. Due to this excessive presence of greenhouse gases and pollution, etc., more trapping of infrared radiation, you can see in the given diagram. These the red waves are showing long wave infrared rays, which are responsible to create heating effect on Earth's surface. And if there is increase in temperature, that is leading to climate changes, regional weather change, global warming. Okay, so in this way it is affecting the earth. Let us talk about impact on life on earth. First is variable change in the climate. Variable change in the climate means that increased temperature in particular area will lead to change in the climate. Like what are the situation for that particular area will change with the time. Animals and people living in that area, they have to migrate. Actually, in many areas it is already going on. The next is change in blooming season of plants. Blooming season is that season in which plants bloom means they produce new buds and they are ready to give new fruits. So increased temperature will affect the blooming season of plants also. Why? Because they need particular temperature, particular amount of humidity in the atmosphere, but that everything is changing with global warming. Then change in regional climate. Regional climate means in particular area. What are the particular features of environment that are changing and that immediately affect the simple organisms and plants in that area. Change in world's ecology. What is ecology? Study of ecosystem. What is ecosystem? Where all the many, we can say, all many organisms, they are interdependent on each other. So if the regional climate is changing, blooming season is changing, obviously there will be change in world's ecology also. Okay, then high temperature is not suitable for living organism. It can lead to heat stroke, deaths also. Let us talk about future predictions. Future predictions means this global warming can affect how much and in which areas in future to us. First is dislocation and disappearance of plant and animal species. So, if this global warming will increase at the present rate, according to the study, nearly 30% of plant and animal species will vanish by 2050. And with the time, the situation will be more worst. Animals from the equatorial region will shift to higher latitude in search of ice and cold region. Okay, and then absorption of carbon dioxide will also get affected due to this thing. So global warming will force the organism to change their living area, and some species can disappear. Then warming of ocean. With increased temperature of the atmosphere, water in oceans will also show rise in temperature. As we know, with the increase the temperature, solubility of gases in liquid decreases. So that will not be beneficial for many organisms, they will die due to this thing. Melting of glacier. What are glacier? These are mountains of snow. Snow is solid form of water, we know. So with increased temperature, that ice will melt, and actually it is melting at this time also. Okay, according to the study, that Arctic snow cover will is expected to be ice free by the end of September 2037, and so is for all other glaciers also. Then shift in farming region. Simple thing, as temperature is increasing, and we know every plant, every crop need a particular kind of environment, particular kind of weather. So if temperature is increasing, then to cultivate that crop, farmers have to shift to new region for the farming of that thing, that particular crop. Okay, it is expected that crop yield will increase in middle and high latitude regions. Then increase in new diseases and heart related death. Due to global warming, many new diseases will come into existence. Why? Because high temperature is suitable for the growth of bacteria. Okay. Then we already talked about heat stroke death. So other causes can also be there. So heat related death will also increase. Change in regional climate. What is regional climate? Climate of particular region. See, we know that difference in temperature is responsible for many phenomena like blowing of wind, this, that. So, increased temperature will affect the frequency of hot extremes, heat waves, and heavy precipitation will also increase. Okay, it is expected that the warming over land will increase. We are saying from the starting of the topic only. Then increase in cost of air conditioning. So if temperature is increasing with the high rate, in that way more will be need of air conditioning to keep our surrounding cool. If it is more needed, if need is more, then cost will also increase for air conditioning. Then change in sea level. As we already mentioned that global warming affect the melting of ice on glacier. So glaciers are melting at high rate. If they are melting at high rate, where that molten ice is going on? In sea only. So we can say that increased temperature is affecting the sea level also. It is increasing day by day, but with very small amount. That is why it is not noticeable. But with the time, it can be very high, and that will lead to floods in the coastal areas. Okay, so it will affect the life in surrounding of sea also. That's all for today. Thanks to all of you. Stay home, stay safe.